The upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra might come with a feature that optimizes its screen to the fullest. Google introduced the Ultra HDR feature with Android 14, allowing users to capture HDR images and videos and view them in HDR format on phones. While some Chinese brands have already implemented this feature on their flagship smartphones, Samsung didn't include it in One UI 6. However, there are indications that the company is working on bringing this feature to their devices. According to Tipster Ice Universe, Samsung is planning to introduce the Ultra HDR feature with the Galaxy S24 series. All three phones in this lineup are rumored to have super screens with a peak brightness of up to 2500 nits, which would be a 42% brighter than the Galaxy S23 series. With brightness capabilities, these screens would be ideal for displaying HDR images and videos captured using the phone's camera. Currently, most Android smartphones map HDR media into the SDR display range and show them in SDR format, losing some of their extended dynamic range information in the process. While some Android manufacturers have developed their methods for displaying HDR content on displays, Android 14 brings a standardized solution for this feature. Apart from this, in a development, a ranking Samsung executive showcased their confidence in the performance of the Exynos 2400 chipset, which is integrated into both the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus. Moreover, this executive has now unveiled a feature that sets apart the Galaxy S24 series from its competitors. The new feature is confirmed to be two-way satellite connectivity, specifically designed for emergency situations. As per reports, the Samsung representative mentioned that they have already taken steps to facilitate smartphone communication through satellites. However, no specific timeline was provided regarding when this functionality will be available or which phones will offer this feature. It's important to note that Apple had previously introduced non-terrestrial network communication support through their emergency SOS satellite feature in the iPhone 14 series back in 2022. Even their latest models, like the iPhone 15 Pro Max, continue to support this capability. Additionally, this year Qualcomm announced Snapdragon satellite support on their Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. However, it wasn't enabled on Samsung's flagship smartphones, the Galaxy S23 series. Users can utilize two-way satellite connectivity to send and receive messages regarding their location and emergencies in areas where there is no cellular mobile phone network available. However, it isn't clear if the feature will be available on all Galaxy S24 series phones or if it will be limited to the Galaxy S24 Ultra model in the lineup. So, what are your thoughts about these upcoming features on the latest Galaxy S24 lineup? Share it down below in the comment section, and for more updates you can check out our channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.